Did you just order the Galaxy S22 and you got a sweet deal from Samsung and you can trade in all your old phones for a pretty decent amount of trade-in values, so you can use the credit towards the purchase of the Samsung Galaxy S22? If you did, please stay tuned to this video because I have a very important tip. So please stay tuned for my tips and suggestion for what you need to do before you trade in your used phone to Samsung. Otherwise, you might regret. So please stay tuned. Hello everyone, thank you for tuning in Protecstation. It's great to see you all. So did you guys order the Galaxy S22 or planning to order it? And Samsung currently has pretty good deals. So you can trade in your used, smartphone as long as they're pretty good condition. They pay you a pretty good price for the trade-in. For example, the Z Fold 3, you can trade it up to 900 bucks. If you have a Galaxy S21 Ultra, they give you 700 bucks. And like a S21, regular S21, they give you $450, from Samsung. So it's a pretty sweet deal if you plan to, order the Galaxy S22. So Samsung is offering, if you trade in your used phone and you get a certain amount of credit, so just have to ship it back to Samsung, as long as it's pretty good condition, not like a cracked screen or whatever. So a lot of time, about these trade-in offers, they don't really tell you about the fine print, okay? So a lot of time, like if you go to your local cellular store, like your carrier, and you do the trade-in offer, blah blah blah, and then all they do is just give you a piece of envelope and you just put in your phone and ship it to Samsung or whatever. If they ever give you an envelope, please do not use the envelope, because the problem is if you ship the phone with the envelope and, the post office, they have a lot of package that they have to go through, right? So if your phone, somehow got, damaged because of that, flimsy envelope, that they gave you to put in your used phone in there. If Samsung received the phone and if the screen is cracked, you're done, okay? Your $900, Z Flip 3 will probably cost $100, or maybe less, okay? So do not put the phone inside whatever envelope. I suggest you put it in some kind of box and ship it, that way, if it get banged, it protects the phone a whole lot more than, using whatever, even if it's a bubble protected wrap envelope. Don't trust that, okay? Put it in a box, inside, put some, bubble wrap protection or something like that. Then you can ship it to Samsung and whatever. That way, it protects the phone at least 10 times more protection than a flimsy bubble wrap envelope. So never trust that, okay? A lot of time, they don't tell you about that, but, I'm just gonna let you know straight up. Just be careful. So don't use the flimsy envelope to ship it, okay? So use a box or something like that. If you don't have a box, maybe, just use your old, like Galaxy S21 box or something, whatever box that came with the phone, and then you just, put in the shipping label and ship it, okay? So everything's all protected. You don't have to be worried about, the phone being damaged and stuff like that. And if you like the video, can you do me one favor? Can you help me smash the like button? It really does help support the channel big time, and it doesn't cost you anything. And if you like contents like this, please feel free to subscribe to my channel and hit that bell notification. That way, when I have new videos, you'll be notified. You may also follow me on Facebook and Instagram. Links will be on the bottom of the description. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Did you just pre-order the Galaxy S22 and you got a sweet deal from Samsung? Did you just pre-order the Samsung Galaxy S22 and you got a sweet deal from Samsung trading in your old phones?
Oh, come on!